Is your machine having hard start in the morning? You can kick several times, or if not so, if you kick, you have to give it more than a minute before you start accelerating. Now, this is the solution. And I think you have had changes of plugs, carburetors, rings, valves, but it doesn't work. Don't go deeper into changing all those. All you need to do is to open a carburetor. There is something in the carburetor known as a throttle. In the throttle there is a throttle needle. The needle has three gaps. Another one has five gaps. Make sure you place the lock in the central gap. If it is three gap, put the second one. If it's a five gap needle, put it to the third gap, and you'll have solved the problem. Many people have really suffered over this case. When they want to get to work in the morning, they are worried because they don't know if they will make it, and it takes them more time to wake up very early to fight with the machine, so to kick the machine so that it may be running on idling or on its momentum as they prepare to take tea and do such a things. But now this is the solution. If you cannot do that, go to Fundi or the so-called artisan, a mechanic, motorbike mechanic. Explain to him what he should do, or show him this video. In the case of hard start in the morning in your machine, or when the weather is too cold, it will reach to an end, and you'll thank me later. If this video you find it of effect, helpful, please subscribe, and also invite your friends, share it, so that many people may not fall victim of the case you've been into for a long time. I pray that God will bless you as you purpose to live a happy life, more so blessing Him because He has a good plan for both of us. Don't go deeper into buying carburetor, replacing rings, valves, plug, changing wiring system, and receivers, wiring receivers like TCI, shooting code, all sensors. Don't waste your money. All you need to do is this, and your bike will be safe. If you have any other challenge, please let us meet on the comments. I'll help you.